morning to late Monday morning. Impacts at 11.0 feet. Barclay Messerly Road, McConnell East, and Milton roads will be flooded and impassable.
What the fuck?
Additional details. At 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday, the stage was 9.4 feet. Banksville stage is 8.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise to a crest of 11.5 feet late this afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage late Sunday morning. Flood stage is 9.5 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 11.5 feet on February 25th, 2016. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.